In today's video, I'll show you how to run 3 apps at once or even more in split screen on Motorola Razr Fold. Okay, so let's first try running 3 apps. To do it, you'll need to open the first one. Let's do LinkedIn. And then in LinkedIn, I'm in LinkedIn right now, and let's try opening something else. So I'll click here and select split screen on the 3 dots, but you could also slide up slowly and hold. Just gently slide up a little bit and hold, and then it'll open this bar. And yeah, you can do notes, for example, and you can drag them. If you click on the 3 dots and select to split, then it'll just like get you to the home screen and let you select a different app. Now, as you can see, I have 2 apps. Let's do 3. Hold on a second. Okay. To do the third one, you can just open the sidebar, and let's go here to find all of the apps that I have, and let's, for example, do files. I can drag them now to this section, add files by the name of the app. And as you can see, now I can tap on the app on the edge to switch like that, and I basically have 3 apps open. And this is the 3 app split screen, but you can go even further. Let's say I just quickly want to open a calculator on top of that. Then I can find my calculator and drag it to open in freeform. Then it will open as a floating window. I can resize it very easily. And let's say I want to take some notes, so I'll create a new note. And then I wanted to type something in, like a number. Then let's do 12 times 80. And it gives me the result. I can type it in there. I could even open more apps. That will get a little complex now. That will get, but let's try doing that. And there it is. Now I have loads of apps on my screen. I can still switch between these. They're still floating. I can close them, but I could also put them on full screen, just like that. I could switch back to freeform. When I leave, it's still there, but if I go to the apps here, then it shows as a floating icon right here, and I can reopen it or just close it. And then if I want to switch back to like 2 apps on the screen, I can close one of them like that. I could also swap their position, split vertically instead of horizontally, or save the app combo on my home screen, or close one of them. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.